Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced green tea with loose leaves. First, gather your ingredients: loose leaf green tea, fresh water, and plenty of ice. You will also need a teapot or an infuser and a pitcher or glass for serving. This method is simple and yields a refreshing drink perfect for any time of day. Let's get started with the brewing process. Next, heat your water to the ideal temperature, which is between 175 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid boiling water, as it can make green tea bitter. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose leaf green tea per 8 ounces of water to your infuser. Steep the tea for 2 to 3 minutes. Adjust steeping time for your preferred strength. This gentle steeping ensures a smooth taste. After steeping, remove the tea leaves promptly to prevent overextraction. Allow the hot tea to cool for a few minutes before the next step. Now, fill your serving glass or pitcher with a generous amount of ice. Pour the cooled, brewed green tea directly over the ice. If you prefer a sweeter drink, stir in a small amount of honey or agave nectar to taste. Enjoy this refreshing beverage. For the best flavor, always use high-quality loose leaf green tea. Feel free to experiment with different varieties, such as sencha or genmatcha, to find your favorite. You can store any leftover iced tea in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, but it's best enjoyed fresh. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for meal prep, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.